Alexis. But they go by really quick, so sometimes they don't even see the shop. I put flags out, but I have to advertise more here, and it's not in my budget right now. Most of my business comes from online sales. The small little shop I have is a bonus from my workshop. I made a small shop in the front, so I'd be able to sell some of the stuff I made. But this is where I work. So if I don't make enough money to pay rent, I'm not going to be able to make candles and be able to sell them. And same with the Squeezy Wax. This is our #1 seller. Okay, thank you. This is our #1 seller. Okay, we sell this more than anything else. We've got over 100 cents just on TikTok. And this is not the small bag. This is a 8 to 9 ounce bag. Most people will sell a small bag. Oh, there it is. I'm looking for my coffee. I know I put it somewhere.